Every clinic promises results. But here's the real question. Are the results sustainable? Is it safe? Before a treatment reaches a patient, it should first survive science. Most people only focus on the outcome. New hairline, smoother skin, improved profile. What they don't see is the science behind every decision. Every advancement in aesthetic medicine is built on a foundation of research, driven by investigation, evidence, and refined through discovery. At TEC, patient care is guided by research. That's why the best treatments aren't driven by trends, they're guided by evidence. At the heart of this effort is TECCRO, TEC's clinical research organization, where research is guided by data and the realities of patient care. Because behind every advancement is a simple goal: to improve the lives of patients. At TEC, research doesn't happen alongside patient care, it helps shape it.